Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Are you tired of looking at those plain, boring garden steps? Today, we are turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. We have curated 11 stunning upcycling projects that will breathe life into your small space garden. Whether you are a DIY pro or a total beginner, these gorgeous decor ideas will leave you inspired to create. Imagine walking up your garden steps and being greeted by a gentle waterfall of color. This charming terracotta pot cascade isn't just about the flowers. It's about the soul you pour into every hand-painted detail. Look at how these simple clay pots, once forgotten in a corner, now dance together in perfect harmony. It's the perfect way to turn a narrow terrace into a vibrant, living storybook that breathes life into your morning routine. There is something so incredibly grounding about the warmth of reclaimed wood beneath your feet. By giving these old planks a second life as decorative risers, you're literally stepping on history. The hand-stenciled botanical patterns add such a delicate, personal touch to your landscape. It's a quiet, rustic transformation that proves you don't need a massive renovation to create a high-end, soulful entrance to your favorite outdoor sanctuary and peaceful garden. Vertical space is often overlooked, but just look at what happens when you look up. These handcrafted woven baskets, suspended by simple natural rope, create a lush, floating garden that follows you as you climb. It's like being hugged by nature with every single step you take. The way the fuchsia and lobelia trail down is just breathtaking. It turns a functional stairway into an enchanting green escape that feels tucked away from the world. Sometimes the most profound joy is hidden in the smallest details. By lining your steps with reclaimed bricks and nesting tiny, handcrafted figurines in the gaps, you create a world of wonder for the curious eye. It's a whimsical nod to the hidden magic of gardening. These little gnomes and ceramic creatures bring a smile to anyone who wanders by, turning a simple path into a playful journey filled with sweet, unexpected discoveries. Texture has a way of making a space feel instantly more expensive and cozy at the same time. Wrapping upcycled containers in coarse manila rope adds a rugged, nautical elegance that feels so intentional and sturdy. These heavy planters anchored on your steps provide such a beautiful, grounded contrast to the delicate sunflowers they hold. It's a simple, tactile project that brings a sophisticated, handcrafted vibe to even the smallest backyard garden corner. Nature provides the most stunning art if we only take the time to look. This sun-bleached driftwood, paired with delicate exotic air plants, creates a sculptural masterpiece that feels both ancient and modern. It's a low-maintenance way to bring a piece of the wild coast right to your garden steps. The organic lines and silver-green leaves offer a serene, artistic focal point that encourages you to slow down and appreciate the raw beauty. Every stone has a story, and with a bit of paint you get to tell it. These upcycled river markers are such a joyful, vibrant way to guide your path. Whether they're painted with cheerful ladybugs or inspirational words, they add a splash of personality that is uniquely yours. It's a project that invites creativity and playfulness into the garden, making every step feel like a celebration of color and a truly warm, heartfelt welcome. There is nothing quite like the scent of fresh basil and rosemary catching the breeze as you walk by. Repurposing old fruit crates into a vertical herb tower is as practical as it is beautiful. It's about more than just gardening. It's about the connection between your backyard and your kitchen table. The weathered wood and handwritten tags add a vintage artisanal charm that makes your small space garden feel abundant, fragrant, and deeply rewarding. A simple wooden pallet can become a wall of living color with just a little bit of love. By mounting it vertically, you've turned a plain stone wall into a lush, blossoming tapestry. The trailing vines and vibrant geraniums soften the hard edges of the steps, making the entire area feel more intimate and inviting. It's an upcycling triumph that maximizes every inch of your space, proving that beauty can grow anywhere you imagine. There's a romantic, timeless quality to a trellis covered in blooming climbers. By rescuing an old iron gate and giving it a new purpose, you've created a sophisticated architectural feature that draws the eye upward. Watching the purple clematis weave its way through the cream-colored metal is a slow, beautiful lesson in patience and growth. It adds a touch of classic luxury and height, making your garden steps feel like a grand, elegant entryway. Finish your garden transformation with a touch of pure, handmade whimsy. These fabric scrap buntings, fluttering softly in the wind, bring a festive cottagecore energy to your steps. Combined with simple glass jar lanterns, the scene becomes a dreamlike retreat. It's the perfect celebration of upcycling, using every little leftover piece to create an atmosphere that is cozy, recycled, and full of life. It's your garden, reflecting the colorful, creative spirit within you. We have journeyed through terracotta cascades and rustic wooden wonders, proving that beauty truly lies in the items we choose to reuse. Remember, your garden is a canvas, and these steps are the perfect place to start your masterpiece. If these ideas sparked your creativity, please hit that like button and subscribe to KiraStyle Garden. Tell me in the comments which upcycle was your favorite.